again. What a disappointment. It's just impossible today, clearly. I will in a moment. I will just swap to the hey again. I will just in a moment swap to the. Mitä sä teet?
Dad is grilling the meat now.
If anybody's asking, Dad is barbecuing the measuring tape. Okay, so that was the last thing. No, we did all kinds of other stuff. Hey, to Pakistan. Yeah, it's just very frustrating at the moment. So so I'm going to in a moment I'm going to swap to our own app, and that the stuff goes there. Hey, live color, live it. The stuff goes there via Twitch. So if you want to see us still, I'm going to swap to Twitch now because this just isn't working. Hey to France. I've been. How come we have deer horse on the table? That's the moose antlers, and the moose drops the. Oh, Linda, Linda, if you have our app, you will be able to use that, or Twitch, and
You are talking about the moose atlas.
Yeah, I will get back to that.
The moose
But
drops its antler every year.
I know, but I was going to tell people first because I'm going to iPhone. Yeah, right. So you're not yet able to take it. Our app is almost on in App Store already. It takes a couple of weeks. The Android version is there already, and then you can watch it on Twitch. At the moment, we're there as Halipu. But so the moose antlers, I will still tell you before we continue. The moose antlers the moose drops every year. Name of the app is just Halipu. Just the same. HALIPUU. Thank you, Venla. It is. Oh, hello. Nice to see you. Yeah. So this is still the demo version. We are going now have only. Thank you, smartphone. We have only started now developing it really. So that's through which I'm going to do the live stuff in the future. But not yet. I'm really sorry about that. But the thing is that at the moment it's eating snow. Kolja is eating snow. At the moment the live material goes there through Twitch. So hey Gertie, I am now going to swap to the app, so to Twitch, because this doesn't seem to be working very well at the moment. Hey Scorpione. In the pans there's water in that one. Pancakes are here. Thank you. Hey. Yeah. Exactly when
I was already thinking, I thought Rita's probably aiming the camera at me.
Hey, to Florida. Hey, so there's pancakes in those ones, and before I swap to the app, I am going to let you taste this. So I don't know if you saw me put some peach jam from Canada onto my pancake. This is has gotten a bit colder, so let's take a bite from here. Now, very good. Everybody, mouth open. Here we go. Hey Mohammed, you're just in time to have a bite. Ah, this is so nice. Huh?
You say that he's just in time there for fight.
No, to get a bite. Very good. Do you have birthday? Happy birthday. This is for you. Look, I'm going to I'm friendly. I'm not mean. I'm friendly. I'm sharing with you. Let's taste this. This is the peach jam. Wait a second. Here you go. Mouth open. Very nice.
It's really sweet.
Really sweet. Sharing is caring, definitely. Yes. Oh, I have to taste again. Very sweet, but very nice. It's a little bit difficult to. It's so delicate that it's a bit difficult to taste in the forest, because in the forest all the tastes, they have to be sort of stronger to really be able to taste it. But selfies being taken there. But yeah, so if this freezes again, then I will swap to the other. Then I will swap to Twitch. But now that it's still working, I will still scope for a while. So that's very good. Then we are sending you some birthday pancakes from here. That's very lucky. I'm going to have another bite. Here we go. And mouth open again. Very nice. Oh, beautiful. This is because Stefan is doing the pancake mastering. So Stefan is Stefan is the pancake king.
Or queen.
Well, that's also possible, but my assumption is that he's the pancake king. But so this is for the time being. Oh yes, very good. Liebe Grüße aus Deutschland. Thank you, thank you. Greetings to Germany.
Äiti,
Okay.
siellä kysyttiin, että kuinka kylmä on.
Oh, it's -9. Stefan is the
Celsius.
pancake master chef. This is so nice. Urho is getting a flu from. Yeah, I will for a moment still. So, but yeah, the master barista as well, definitely.
You're pointing your camera at me again.
Yes. This one is going to work. Yeah, look, I told you. Yeah, it's nice, isn't it? Very good. So, hey, good morning to New Mexico. Hey, Chris. Nice to see you. Yeah, Stefan is Dutch, so it's in the genes.
Pancake.
Hello, hello. Very good that you're here. So everybody, I'm glad to have you here again. Been a while again. Yes. I wonder what I was going to say. I already forgot. Oh, very good. We did have oliebollen. I made them myself. I have this Dutch cookbook. We got it for our wedding as a wedding gift. And every New Year, if Stefan's mother is not here, if she's not visiting, then I will make him oliebollen. I'm not very good at it yet, I'm afraid. No, I'm not. Yes, but that's because you're married to me. If you weren't, you wouldn't like them.
Don't you want to believe,
Me? Well, I don't know. I hope I don't have a bad Dutch accent. I did pick some of it. Stefan does. He's Dutch. Huh?
Is Misha going to give the cheese to
Well, that's completely fine. Look, kolja is a smoutable. That's a peculiar.
Raisa or Carla or Stefan, somebody give me more.
Annatteko Stefanille lautasia, Jouko? Kolja is a fan of cheese. Look, that's gluten tag. That's like a day of gluten. Oh, you like Geertie is from Belgium as well. So I do speak Dutch, but look at that. It's like it would do anything for cheese. That dog.
Arya Dharma, my dad is asking how have you managed here?
Yes, Guten Tag is also good. I thought it would be a gluten tag. Yeah, that's a super cute dog. It's a Samoyed. It disappears into the snow. Yeah, exactly. That it is. It's super friendly. To people, that is. Yeah. So it's a dog that doesn't yet get along so well with other dogs. It's a bit of a teenage boy. No, Kolja is not on Insta. Temperature is -9 degrees Celsius. Yeah, no, Kolja is not a social media star. It's a social media star of its own life. But that's a dog of my sister, so. But hey, people, I'm going to now swap to the app, and we're going to have the next pancakes will be showing there. So everybody, people who don't know yet, we have our own Halipu app in the App Store. So please go and download it for the ones that can. Did I say App Store? Play Store. I'm sorry. Play Store is. So we have the Android version ready. The Apple version is not ready at all. Love you too, Linda. So nice. So the Android version is ready. So go and download it. It's just called Halipu, Forest in Your Pocket, and that's where we. It's still a demo. Oh look, Dad got snow in his shoe. And
bottom of his shoe why it's so warm.
Oh, okay. I thought that he got snow in his shoe. Look, just with the barefoot on the Apple version will be, if everything goes well, should be ready in maybe 2 weeks. Oh no, I missed what you were saying. Sorry. So, but yes. So we are going to now continue there. I'll be on Twitch now. So from Twitch. So the reason why Smartboat is asking me about Twitch, we are casting from Twitch to the app. So you will also find us on Twitch now. So I'm going to quit now. Okay, you will find us on Twitch, and that's also Halipu. I haven't learned to work it very well yet, so but we will see.
Spell Halipu so that.
So I will still spell Halipu. So Halipu, Halipu. See you on Twitch in a moment. Twitch is another one, another live thing like this. So thank you everybody for being here. We will continue now on Twitch, so on our app. Thank you, Gerti. Exactly. And maybe I'll see you there in a moment. And if not, then have a wonderful Sunday and a week. See you. Bye.